Hey y'all, we fixed to cook something really good. Big old huge ribeye. Look at that. This is a ribeye for 2 people, but I could probably eat it by myself. We're gonna reverse sear this. If y'all love steak, just stick around, because this is gonna be different and it's gonna be super good. All right, y'all, we're fixing to put some guava oil on here. This is good stuff. Here we go. You got to have that. This is the big ribeye. It's probably 2.5 pounds. And we're gonna rub it in good, put a seasoning on it. Today we're using this guava oil. It is really good. The reason we're using that, it makes the seasoning stick a lot better. The seasoning makes it all on the steak. Y'all need to try this. Steakhouse blend. We're putting a lot of seasoning on this steak, but a lot of it won't be here in a little while. It's gonna fall off. We're gonna knock it off with the searing and all, but we're gonna do it all real good and heavy. A big steak like this just needs a lot of seasoning. Every bit of this we're gonna season, even the bone. Hey y'all, now the fun part. We're fixing to put it on our smoker right here. This is the Bronco series smoker with the griddle. Can't go wrong with this. Now we're gonna take this probe here and stick it in here. I like to stick it right in the middle and all the way through far as you can to the bone over here. All right, y'all, this is gonna be a real thick steak. It's gonna take a little time, probably about an hour. We're looking at 45 minutes to an hour on this one. Once it hits temp, then we're gonna sear it. And it's gonna be good, I guarantee you that. Now, growing up, we didn't have a lot of steaks. I remember eating ground meat, making meatloaves and that kind of stuff. I just don't remember steaks. And every once in a while when we did have a steak, my daddy would always cook one less for some reason. He said, I'm gonna cut a little piece off of every one of y'all's. So he'd cut that little curvy piece on the steak. The good part I found out later in life. But we mostly ate chicken, pork, stuff like that, fish, shrimp. When we was growing up, we didn't eat a lot of steaks. All right, y'all, it's been about an hour and 20 minutes, something like that. Temperature, we're looking at about 120, 121. That is perfect for these steaks. Perfect, medium rare, okay? Wow, is that pretty what, y'all? Fix to quart some oil down on here. I'm gonna use a good bit. We're gonna sear it right here. Listen, that's what you wanna hear. All right, reverse sear all it means is we cooked the inside already. Now we're gonna get a good crust on the outside. You know the good stuff when you bite it? This is what that's gonna be. Everything needs a nice crust, so we're gonna do every side of this. Upside, downside, backside, every side. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, y'all, the steak is cooked. We're gonna let it rest a few minutes. And while we're letting it rest, we're gonna come clean the Blackstone. So come on over here and watch this. While it's hot, first thing, I scrape everything to one side, get it all piled up right there. I push it to the back. Later, taters. Now I usually get me a paper towel. I'm gonna go around. I'm trying to get all the little gritty stuff off right now. All right, y'all, we about got that. Now we're gonna put a little water on it. Whenever you get steam like that, and it got any germs, bacteria on it, it's gone. Nothing gonna live in steam. Fix and season this thing up a little bit. We're gonna use this guava oil. And a lot of people overdo it. You don't need a lot of oil to season one or get it ready for the next cook. Put a few little places down. We're gonna take our paper towel and just go everything thin coat. That's all you need. You don't need a gallon of oil to do this. All you want to do is make it nice and shiny like we got it here. It's just that simple. Cut it all off, oil it a little bit, you're ready to go. Oh, it's been a few minutes now. Let's go check on that steak. All right, y'all, we're just gonna cook some potatoes and different things to go with this, but hey, we're just gonna let the steak shine today. This is gonna be so good. Now, we're gonna start cutting it up a little bit. Tell me that ain't pretty. Oh, Reverse sear, y'all, that's the way it is. You smoke it to whatever you want. We did it to about 120, and then you sear it on this Blackstone. Oh my goodness, it just don't get no better than this, y'all. And the best part, you get to cut a piece and eat it. You can go out and get a good steak, but you ain't gonna get one this good. But if you cook this at home, hey, you the king of the house. It's gonna be good. Love it. Boy, that's good. I know y'all seen me eat before, but I'm fixing to tear all this up. Hey, tell me how you like your steaks. Leave a comment. How you like your steak? Later.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator.